Sam, talk slowly. No. Louder and slower. No.
Cheetah, right? She doesn't have a cold.
No.
She doesn't smoke cigarettes in the place, right?
No.
What? Oh, come on, why was Sam eating?
What?
So not cool.